Hi, I'm Spencer, an expert builder at Naologic, and today I'll be explaining the generate a bill from a purchase order function. Let's get started.
The generate a bill from a purchase order function allows users to create a bill based on a specified purchase order. This function ensures a streamlined transition between purchase orders and billing while adhering to defined conditions. To add this function to your actions, first, hover over the action you want to customize, press Edit, then click on Add Function. Click on the header of the newly added function, search for Generate a Bill from Purchase Order, and add it. This function requires configuration. You will need to add the bill document, select the status in which the bill will be created, and add the purchase order document. These documents must either be created manually or selected from predefined templates. That's the end of our quick tutorial on the Generate a Bill from a Purchase Order function. You can check out our other documentation videos or reach out to the team and me with any recommendations for future help articles to help speed up your workflow.